Saint Paul to the Colossians, he tells, it is a beautiful letter in a very simple language. He says, put on forgiveness, put on humility, put on endurance, and so on, he says. See, why should I forgive my enemy? The world says you love your friends and hate your enemies. But Jesus says love your enemy. Then only you reach the highest spirituality. Otherwise, coming for Mass, you may come every day for Mass. Faithfully you may say the novena of St. Francis Xavier. You may recite any number of rosaries. You may attend any number of novenas and feasts. It is all ritualism. It has no credit at all because it has not changed your life. Agapan demands from you change of life. Now you may say, Father, you priests are very good at the altar and to preach to us. Let me tell you honestly from this sacred place, I don't know how many enemies you have.